Alright, and this is the 16 feet light right over here. I have put this in this type of random pattern. And here is the app for this right over here. I already downloaded it. It's called the Lumary app. It's available on the Google Play Store and the App Store. So let's turn it on and boom. There is the light. Now this is the plain white light right over here. We can also change it. There's the two modes right over here. You can do daytime color and it will do that yellow type color. Otherwise you can set in the middle, so you have a lot of customization. You can also do the brightness, so this is the lowest brightness, 1%. Really good, like when you're like working on your desk and stuff, and you can use these lights. Now apart from that, this also does the RGB, so you know this is just the blue version and the red, yellow, green. Looks really cool. And that's basically not it yet, because we still have more. So we have the music mode. So basically like you got music playing and then this will light up to the music. You have different modes as well. So you can do the classic one like this. Okay, now let's do for scene. So this is right now on the holiday mode. I'll go through them one by one just like this. First time on the landscape page. And this is the Iceland blue. Then Glacier Express. Sea of Clouds. Now, if you are kind of tired of these scenes, you can actually make your own. So for me, I've created this flow all, which basically like all the colors just flow like this. If you click on it and like if you like trying to edit it, you can edit it. Like you click up here, you can click edit, and then you can basically like name it. You can do the effects, so maybe you can want to do rainbow. You can also preview it right here. So this is the rainbow mode, accumulation mode, just like this. You can also change the speed and stuff too, so like 100% speed, you know, it does it really fast. I don't really like that type of fast speed, but like if someone wants it like that, then they can do it. So you can see that looks pretty cool. Alrighty then, and that wraps up this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment down below on what you think about these amazing lights. Now these lights are really cool. It's like almost comparable to Govee lights. Even I think they are kind of better than them, considering their brightness, animations, and all that stuff. And if you like these lights as well, if you are thinking of buying them, I will have the link for our description box below for Amazon and also their website. I'll also link all of that down below, as well as a discount code for you as well. Now, these lights are actually pretty bright. They have nice animations, and considering their length of 16 feet and I can do all these type of designs, that is pretty cool. Now, if you think 16 feet is too long, you can also get the shorter version, and I will link all of that down below for you. Now, with that being said, I'll see you guys next time with another video. Peace.